Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear image cache on Friendster. So the first thing you need to do is open the Friendster app on your device. Once the app opens, go to the bottom right corner and tap your profile icon. So this will take you to your account page. Now, once you are here on your profile, look toward the upper right side of the screen. You should see a small settings gear icon. Tap on that settings icon to continue. After tapping Settings, Friendster will open the Settings menu for your account. Here you'll see different sections including notifications, diagnostic, storage, and legal settings. So what we want to focus on is the storage section. So scroll a little bit until you find the option that says Clear Image Cache. So once you see Clear Image Cache, simply tap on it. So the app may take a few seconds while it removes all of the cache image files. You don't need to worry because this does not delete your account photos, your uploaded posts, or any picture saved on Friendster. It only deletes the temporary files stored on your device. If the cache has been cleared, go ahead and close Friendster completely and then reopen it again. Once the app starts fresh, Friendster will begin loading new image files from the server instead of using the old stored ones. So it helps if images were blurry, not updating, not showing, or if the app was taking too long to load media. And that's how you can clear image cache on Friendster. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.